The Terrace Pro pilot with Lever has been incredible. I work for local nonprofit Growing Chefs and Fresh Roots, and we have a fantastic school meal program called LunchLAB. And it's very innovative and creative, and students come into the school to learn how to cook with a head chef, and then they serve that food to their school community. And we have a salad bar, and it's full of greens and colourful vegetables, and the Terrace Pro has been an incredible addition to that process.
I think it's really cool that we get to use the greens that we get out of the Terrace Pro and eat them in the salads and get to use them for cooking and stuff. They all taste super great and taste like they were grown outside, truly.
The herbs and the vegetables growing in the Terrace Pro have been harvested and nurtured by students. We've had a weekly garden drop-in where students have come to do the nutrient checking, the pH checking, really getting hands-on in the growing process. And it's been great to see their confidence in growing literally grow. We've also been using the outdoor garden and linking the two together, so students have been comparing what it's like to grow something through a hydroponic system and as well as an outdoor system.
It's cool to see how fast everything grows as well, compared to outside growth where things have to take months to grow sometimes, and these ones will take 1 to 2 months maybe. It's kind of awesome to see how luscious everything is, how well everything grows, and just the quality of it is much different from store-bought.
In the fall, the science teacher will be taking on this project more and using the Terrace Pro in her science curriculum, using it for nutrient cycles, general maintenance and looking after the soil, which is fantastic, and all the students have shown great interest in this.
It's fun to garden as well. It's fun to be able to create food that you can eat.